हाय माय लवलीज एंड वेलकम अगेन टू माय चैनल बी विद प्राची। आज के टाइम्स इतने अनसर्टन और डिफिकल्ट हो गए हैं कि हम सब हमेशा स्ट्रेस और एंजाइटी फील करते रहते हैं। आप सब ये जानते भी हैं कि हाई लेवल्स ऑफ स्ट्रेस कैन कॉज सीरियस इम्पैक्ट ऑन आवर फिजिकल एज वेल एज मेंटल हेल्थ। इसीलिए उसे चेक में रख के कंट्रोल करना बहुत जरूरी है। Chronic stress can be a culprit behind many health conditions like diabetes, blood pressure, heart diseases, and sometimes even cancer. So it's very important to keep it under check. Friends, today I'm going to share with you some simple and easy breathing exercises which can help reduce stress and anxiety. And yes, at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you some simple tips on how you can keep stress and anxiety at bay. So let's get started. Exercise number 1. Always sit in a comfortable position and then gently close your eyes. You can keep doing this exercise till you yourself start feeling relaxed. Exercise number 2. Gently close your eyes and sit in a comfortable position. एक स्क्वायर इमेजिन कीजिए। स्क्वायर के एक कॉर्नर से ब्रीदिंग शुरू करते हुए 1, 2, 3, 4 काउंट कीजिए। नेक्स्ट कॉर्नर से ब्रेथ छोड़ते हुए आगे के कॉर्नर तक जाइए, फिर उस कॉर्नर से फिर से 1, 2, 3, 4 काउंट करते हुए ब्रीद इन कीजिए। देन अगेन ब्रीद आउट करते हुए नेक्स्ट कॉर्नर तक जाइए। इस तरह आप 4 यानी कि स्क्वायर का फिगर अपने आंखों के सामने रखिए और इनहेल और एक्सेल करते जाइए। You can continue doing this exercise till you feel relaxed and calm. The best breathing technique which reduces stress completely is pranayam. Anulom Vilom pranayam is very effective in reducing stress and anxiety. Sit in a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. ये बहुत ही सिंपल और इजी ब्रीदिंग टेक्निक्स हैं, but they have helped me immensely with my stress and anxiety, and hence I wanted to share them with you, and I hope you are benefited too. So coming back to the tips, there are some simple tips which we can practice so that we feel less stressed and anxious in our lives. My tip number 1 would be nice to yourself. अपने आप से प्यार कीजिए. You can always pamper yourself mentally as well as physically by saying some positive affirmations first thing in the morning, doing things that you love to do, and most importantly, please keep negative self-talk at bay. खुद से प्यार से बातें कीजिए। Negative self-talk या फिर खुद से negative या demotivating बातें करना ही हमको एक अलग स्ट्रेस और एंजाइटी के लेवल पे पहुंचाता है, जिसे रोकना हमारे ही हाथ में है। टिप नंबर 2, अगर आप बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रेस्ड या एंशियस फील कर रहे हो तो वॉच समथिंग फनी। यू नो इट, लाफ्टर इज द बेस्ट मेडिसिन। एनीथिंग दैट्स फनी पुट्स यू इन अ हैप्पी एंड लाइट मूड and relieves all the physical as well as mental tension in your body. And one more important thing, it also increases your immunity. So isn't that a bonus? So just catch up with some funny comedy shows and laugh your way through life. Stress को दूर भगाने का एक बहुत simple tip है lighting up some aromatic candles. जब आप scented या aromatic candles जलाते हैं तो उसका एक calming effect हमारे mind पर होता है. I just love lighting up some candles all around me and effective tip is taking a walk in nature. It's very important to just take a light walk. It not only makes you feel refreshed, but also releases the happy hormones endorphins and reduces your stress hormones. So guys, it's so important to just walk your way. A very important tip to feel stress-free is learning to forgive others. Begrudging others and holding on to their mistakes or to your own stresses only causes more tension and stress in yourself and not in others. So just learn to accept the things as they are and forgiving yourself as well as others for whatever has happened, and you will feel the stress just disappear. So guys, if you've liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends so that they can benefit too, and let me know in the comment section of how you reduce your stress and anxiety. Till then, bye bye and see you.